Switching carriers but want to keep your number? You'll need a number transfer PIN, also known as a port out PIN. This unique code authorizes the transfer of your number from Walmart Family Mobile to your new provider, acting as a security measure to verify your identity and prevent fraud. Think of it as a digital signature for your phone number. Without it, the transfer can't happen. The PIN is a one-time code, usually 4 to 8 digits long, and it's essential to have it ready when you activate service with your new carrier. Walmart Family Mobile offers multiple ways to get your port-out PIN. The easiest is through their app or website. Simply log into your account, find the Port My Number section, and generate your PIN. It's sent to you almost instantly via SMS or email. Alternatively, you can call customer support at 1-888-746-2255, where an agent will assist you. As a last resort, you can also visit a Walmart store. Remember to have your account information handy, and note that the PIN expires after 30 days or one use. Porting your number doesn't automatically cancel your Walmart Family Mobile service, so remember to do that as well.